Hey guys! So today I'm going to be making my grandma a to-go bag. And so this to-go bag is for anything disaster related, hospital related. She is old. She is 85 years old. She's in a wheelchair. So I'm putting together this bag for anything that could happen, whether it be a tornado, a hurricane, a natural disaster of any sorts, fire, or even if she just has to go to the hospital. So in my bag, I am 100% number one putting my ADAPTS in the bag for her, because this is so helpful transporting her to and from the bed. If it is a disaster situation, up and down stairs, if there's rubbish or anything like that, we can get her out fast. So that is number one. Next would be, we're gonna take some water. I have some toilet paper just in case. We have some undergarments, a bra, underwear, change of clothes. I have right here, I'm going to pack a blanket. I have in here all of her toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I have some Depends. Definitely going to be packing some wipes. I have her favorite snacks that I'll be packing, some dried fruit because it won't go bad, and then some granola bars, some little breakfast cookies, stuff that won't go bad, you know. Peanut butter, she loves peanut butter, it's her favorite, and it's protein, it has protein in it. We'll pack some cans of beans. I have her blanket, her medicine. Also in the bag, I'm going to be packing a candle and a lighter. And then also for survival purposes, or if she does get trapped in any sort of thing, I'm going to be putting a pocket knife. It has a few multi-tools on it, so it is very helpful in a survival situation or disaster setting. I'm going to be packing her a light and then some extra batteries. This is very important. It's a charger for her phone, and then I'm going to pack the cord. And that is all we have for the go bag. I'm gonna also pack a list of any things that I may have not put in already, but things just to remember to grab really quickly if we do have to go to the hospital, maybe a sweatshirt or something like that. But 100% our ADAPTS is so important in the go bag.
The ADAPTS Rescue Sling is designed for moments you hope never happen, but if they do, we're ready. Whether it's a tornado, hurricane, or even fire, having a safe way to move her quickly could make all the difference. It's simple steps towards disaster readiness that gives me the peace of mind knowing we've planned ahead.